Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video, we are going to be unboxing this cute Hello Kitty Bluetooth headset. So stay tuned! So guys, finally this is it. We are going to be doing the unboxing of this Hello Kitty Bluetooth headset. So, are you excited? Because I am so excited and I just can't hide it. And by the way, this unboxing is long overdue. You know why, guys? Because I think this Bluetooth headset, I received this as a gift from my loves. I think Christmas time last year or my birthday. I can't remember anymore. Like what I said, this is long overdue. Finally, I'm having the time today to shoot this video. So I'm going to show you what's inside this pink box. Okay, so to start with, let us open the box. I already removed the tape, and then let's see what's inside. Ta-da! So of course you have the manual, and by the way guys, look at the box. Look at the back of the box. How cute that is. Customized headband design. Then you have the beam forming microphone. And then you also have the ear cups powered by Razer Chroma RGB and also Bluetooth 5.0, and it's custom tuned 40mm drivers and also 40 ms low latency connection. There you have it. So actually, by looking at the back of the box, you actually will have an idea of the parts of the headset. But let's get into the real unboxing. So you have the manual, tells you how to use the headset, how to charge it, the parts of the headset. There. So read the manual, guys. And then you have a small plastic bag here, and it has the USB connector. Like, I think this is the charger. This is the charger for the headset. Okay, let's put it back here, and I'm gonna show you later where to connect that on the headset. Okay, and this is the most awaited unboxing of this cute headset. Yoo-hoo! There you have it. You see, you have Hello Kitty's bow here, the famous bow, and then you have here, it says Hello Kitty and Friends. How cute that is. And this one here, I can't open it wider because I'm scared that I'm gonna break the headset, but don't worry, because this is such a nice material and it's not gonna be easy for you to break it. But of course we have to be careful because this has a sentimental value. Anyway, so moving forward, You see, you can adjust the sides so that it fits your head. There you go. But if you want to put it back, you can do like this. Depends on the size of your head. If it doesn't fit you well, then you can adjust it, make it longer. And if it's too loose, then you can put it back. And then on the sides, you see you have Hello Kitty's face there. So cute. That's for both sides. And then here you have the controller for the volume. So there, so that you can adjust the volume. And then you have this power button, and just you need to just give it a long press. Wait for the light, and then you will actually hear that it will say power on. And then to turn it off, again, long press. Then you will hear it say power off. But when it turns on, when you turn it on, let's turn it back on. You see the face of Hello Kitty lights up. Yoo-hoo! So cute. Okay, so again, we'll turn it off. Long press. Okay, there's no more light. And then, where is the Bluetooth connector for the charging? There. So I'll show you how to connect it. I'm 100% sure that you know how to do it. But just for the sake of this unboxing, I'll show you. There. So this one, I don't know what type this is. You can comment on the comment section. That will be great. There. What? Okay. So where's the connector for the there, right? So you just have to connect it like this. Wait. Let's see if it fits. Fits this way. There, yoo-hoo! That's it. So thank you so much for watching, and now I can use this headset. Once again, guys, thank you for supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.